Sparrows are so maligned. They're actually great birds. Do you guys remember when I was talking about my pots that I bought in Paris? That were stuck in customs? Well, here they are. Please remember, I'm 55 years old. It took me 55 years to acquire this stuff. But look at this. Mashed potatoes! Like, so beautiful. But the reason they were stuck in customs is so hilarious that I want to tell you. So, calling DHL, blah, blah, nobody knows why. And then finally I got through to somebody and they said, oh, you have to wait for the Food and Drug, FDA. And I said, why? There's no food in them. Well, they have to inspect them because it says casseroles on the side of the box, which is the French word essentially for pan. So they kept these in because they thought they were actual casseroles, okay? Like some sort of hideous chopped meat casserole sitting in customs for 38 days, when really it was just my beautiful pots. I mean, this is what I used them for recently. Spencer and Eric came for dinner right after I got them. I put beets in here, so I sort of parboiled the beets in herbs and water, and then I cut them up into little jewels, and I put them in here. But this, I heated this, so when I spooned in the beets, it sizzled, you know, and then I served it at a table to each person upstairs watching TV, very casual, but they each got these things. And then in here I put Indeed mashed potatoes, and then I sort of grilled the top under the grill. I love these because people love individual servings, and these happen to be extremely beautiful. But you know, this is for a special occasion, and it took a long time to acquire these, but they're kind of stunning casseroles. Like some sort of hideous chopped meat casserole sitting in customs for 38 days.